In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Outlook from grouping your emails, transforming your inbox into a more straightforward and easily navigable space. This tutorial is designed to guide you step by step through this process, so let's dive right in. First, we'll start by opening up Microsoft Outlook. This is the primary hub where all your email communication takes place. So go ahead and launch the Outlook application on your device. If you're using the web version, open your preferred browser and navigate to the official Outlook website. Now you'll notice a sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on this option so that you can proceed. For the next step, you'll need to enter your email address and password. By signing in, you gain access to all of your messages and ensure that any adjustments you make will apply to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. Here you'll find a tab labeled View. Clicking on View will display a drop-down menu containing several options that dictate how your emails are presented. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Messages. Selecting this option allows you to modify certain aspects of how your emails are displayed. At this stage, navigating through your inbox will be significantly more efficient, providing better clarity and management over your emails. Now that you've reached the menu for messages, it's time to focus on the conversations setting. Here lies the crux of your task, changing the default view, where multiple emails from the same thread are grouped as one. By hovering over the Conversations option, you'll reveal a selection to show each message separately. Go ahead and choose this setting. Switching to show each message separately ensures that each email is displayed individually in your inbox, transforming clustered conversations into singular entries. This change is particularly beneficial if you prefer to see each email as a standalone entry, or if you're managing a high volume of emails daily and want to pinpoint specific messages quickly without sifting through grouped conversations. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Outlook settings to stop emails from being automatically grouped. With these changes, your inbox will now display each message individually, granting a clearer overview and an easier way to manage your emails. This setup should make sorting, replying, and organizing your mail far more straightforward. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope these steps have demystified the process for you, allowing you to tailor your Outlook experience precisely to your needs. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like or share with others who might benefit from it. Have a great day and happy emailing.